Hi, this is Kumar Kaushal, and in this video I'm going to be showing you why, while this was declining, while price was declining here in GBPCHF, why we had a long side bias and how that resulted in a trade with entry around this area, still in the trade now, making very good risk reward with a small amount of risk. And I'm going to break down the whole trade for you, giving you all the reasonings as to why we would want to go long in this area here. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so to first understand why we get our bias, let's change the time frame. Right now we've got the 15-minute on the left, we've got the 5-minute on the right, and this is GBPCHF. But what I want to go to first is the 4-hour time frame on the left. So we've got the 4-hour time frame on the left and the 5-minute time frame on the right. Notice that what we have here is a left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. So we had a nice right shoulder coming in right here. What else have we got? Well, at the same time, at this point right here, we have an A, B, C, D. And that D point ended at an exact 886 retracement. So that's a Fibonacci 886 retracement ending right there. So at this point here, we had the right shoulder of the head and shoulders pattern and also a Gartley 886 pattern completing there. Now, if you want to learn more about Gartley patterns, about Fibonacci, you can do so in my Trade to Success Academy course, where I teach you that in great detail. So let's delve down deeper. At this point here, let's go into the 15-minute time frame. And you can see that the completion of the Gartley was right here. Now, although we took a trade here today, we still need to address this point right here where we would have first started to think about taking a long trade. Now, what we got here was an MTF 270X setup where we would have made some profit on that, where price bounced off our regression line, and we got a 270X setup where we would have made some profit, and we also had another 270X setup in this area here where we would have made some profit there too. Now, depending on which time frame you looked at, there was also a possible 270X setup that would have been a break-even trade in this area too. But the point I want to discuss is what happened today when price fell down to this area here. We not only had that same area that we were interested in before, but we also had a double bottom, which certainly made us interested to get long again. Notice how on the 5-minute we had price come back up and bounce off the regression line. Now, you could have easily got your entry there. We actually had an MTF 270X entry here. Which has nicely played out today. And we're still in this trade in great risk reward, very small amount of risk. And let's see how much risk reward we can bank here. So as an overview, let me just pull up the 4-hour time frame again. We had a head and shoulders pattern completing with the right shoulder completing here. We had a Gartley formation at the 886 completing here. We also had a double bottom on the 15-minute right at this area too. This gave us a very nice trade and gave us our long bias to get into this trade despite price falling quite abruptly to this area here. Now, if you're interested in learning more about the way I trade, you can simply click on the link in the description in this video. And if you like the way I broke down the trade, it will be great if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you can be notified the next time I upload a video. Also drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this analysis and whether you also saw the head and shoulders and the double bottom happening at that area as well. So comment down below and it will be great to discuss. If you're truly serious about taking your forex trading to the next level, then click on the link in the description that will take you through to my web class, and I look forward to seeing you on that soon. Good trading guys, and I'll speak to you soon.